From the raw Australia of the 1900s comes a turbulent saga that spans the decades. In Colleen McCullough's best-selling novel, The Thorn Birds.
I'll never have what I want.
The story of a priest driven by ambition.
Never be what I want.
Tormented by desire.
And I don't know how to stop wanting.
And a beautiful young girl obsessed with a man she could never have.
You can marry me. You love me.
But I love God more.
It's Mrs. Carson, Father. She's dead.
Probably did herself in.
Unless it was the devil doing us all a favor.
Father Ralph de Bricassar, serve as the chief authority in charge of my estate. 13 million pounds of it.
Go on to that God of yours. But you'll come back to me, because I'm the one who loves you.
And tonight, the story continues.
Fire! Fire on Drogheda!
Oh, we've come back.
What have you done to me? God, you are beautiful. Help me get free of this.
Starring Richard Kiley, Gene Simmons, Ken Howard, Mayor Winningham, Philip Anglem, Christopher Plummer, Brian Brown, Rachel Ward, and Richard Chamberlain. A love unattainable, forbidden, forever. The Thorn Birds.